Hi, it's Adam with 1.3 Growing, here to talk to you today about one of our pyrotechnic devices that we use in shows. Let's talk about cakes. Cakes are one of the most popular pyrotechnic devices. They come in both consumer and commercial grade. They resemble a square or a rectangle with multiple tubes which launch aerial shells. Here's some footage of some of our professional cakes that we use on our shows. Since now you know what cakes are, see if you can spot them at your upcoming fireworks show for the 4th of July. Thanks much and have a good one.